Skeleton Hiccups by Marjorie Carler, illustrated by S.D. Schindler. Skeleton woke up. Hic, hic, hic. Had the hiccups. Hic, hic, hic. Took a shower. Hic, hic, hic. Brushed his teeth. Hic, hic, hic. Polished his bones. Hic, hic, hic. Carved a pumpkin. Hic, hic, hic. Raked some leaves. Hic, hic, hic. Played with Ghost. Hic, hic, hic. Ghost told Skeleton, hic, hic, hic.
Hold your breath.
Hic, hic, hic.
It's some sugar.
Hic, hic, hic.
Press your fingers
Hic, hic, hic.
over your eyeballs.
Hic, hic, hic.
Drink some water
Hic, hic, hic.
upside down.
Hic, hic, hic. Ghost made a face. Hic, hic, hic. Said boo to Skeleton. Hic, hic, hic. But nothing worked. Hic, hic, hic. The hiccup stayed. Hic, hic, hic. Then Ghost got smart. Hic, hic, hic. Found a mirror. Hic, hic, hic. Held it up. Hic, hic, hic. Skeleton screamed. Hic, hic, hic. The hiccups left. Hic, hic, hic. They jumped away.